Hello friends, today I'm going to catch you up on what I've been doing this week, my progress. If you want to learn a few things I suggest, keep watching. So I weighed myself this morning. It's been about 6 days since I started keeping track of the food intake. Well, my story, I lost about 65 pounds when I started keto. Once I got to that point, I thought I could just not keep track of my food intake anymore, just limit the carbs and no sugar. So I did that, but I've gained a few pounds back. I believe I was eating too much protein during the day. So MyFitnessPal does help me in keeping track of my macros. If you did not see how we figure out our macros, I'll put a link somewhere of where you can see what we did last week of finding our macros and putting them in MyFitnessPal. So one of my struggles, I'm pretty good at keeping my sugar, not eating sugar, and keeping my carbs low. My problem seems to be too much protein. When I started putting my food back in this week, I've noticed I've been putting too much protein in. That's one big benefit of having MyFitnessPal, is to keep track of the foods that you're eating and see how close you're getting. So I needed to add more fat, so I've been doing that this week, and I've lost 2 pounds this week. One thing I want you to do today is to clean out a special section in your refrigerator just for you.
This is a picture of my space in my refrigerator. The second thing I want you to do for yourself today is to add your current measurements in MyFitnessPal, and I'm going to show you how to do that right here. The second thing I want you to do today is I want you to put in your measurements. Knee, hip in the middle on the low scale, and click on the word weight. And I am going to put in my neck and hit the plus sign. I measured my neck, and my neck is 12. I'm going to go back to hit on the word neck and go to waist. Then you hit the plus sign and put in your today's waist. Mine is 28. And hips. Today my hips were 36. That's all I want to put in today.
So the third thing I want you to do for yourself this week is to open up your MyFitnessPal and put in everything that you eat and drink every day.